All right, guys, we got a sexy 2022 ES350. GS or ES? ES350. Lexus. Look at that, man, front fascia. That's sexy. I like what they did to these things. And the lights and everything. Fully loaded. What we got done on this beast. Factory converters up there and up there. Third converter there. Then it got factory resonator there. Then we took this resonator off and he went down the road and came back. He's like, it drones too much. So we put it back on for him. Then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. So it's only got a rear muffler delete. Then it got the tips built into the bumper, as you guys can see right there. And it is an ES350. We'll let you guys hear it in a second and hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Is that better? It's not too loud now. Not bad. Again. 2022 ES350 muffler delete. Again. So with the sound decibels, it's 101. Go ahead and back it up. It was droning too much without that resonator. That's why we put it back on. He's been in the Army 12 years, man, so we really appreciate his service. So next time you see an Army guy, make sure you tell him you appreciate it. For keeping us free. That sounds a lot better now. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Lexus ES350 muffler delete. Oh, that's perfect. Sounds nice.